swath. We've got another company called Replicant that's automating the contact center. So when folks call, Replicant has what they call a thinking machine, and it announces itself as a thinking machine, although many folks can't tell that it's not a human, but that's able to handle a vast amount of customer queries with zero delays. It never sleeps. It never gets tired. It never gets in a bad attitude mode. And it's always trying to be helpful to the customer in an omni-channel aware manner. And as a result, but at the same time, there's a huge place for humans when the customer interaction requires empathy, nuance, common sense, expertise, and more complicated queries. So in a sense, that's a win-win. Customers for routine inquiries can get their answers accurately, quickly, and in a frictionless manner. With more complex inquiries, the bank is able to create more bandwidth for its personnel to provide those empathetic, knowledgeable, customized answers to its customers. So